So the budget, I don't think we've got much expectations over here, because I think that the budget overall, the room for the government on the fiscal side is very limited for them to really think big, right? There could be some announcements, but really do meaningful is less. The government is also on a fiscal consolidation path, right? So you will see fiscal deficit come down. So I don't see there is anything big, okay, which one can expect. Obviously, there should be some balance. I think they might, looking at the state election results, I think there has been some populism which has been there, and the fact that there's a demand side slowdown which is there, right? The government has done well in the last few years post COVID to address the supply side. I mean, we have seen investments pick up, investment to GDP has gone up. The supply side issues have been addressed, but demand side is where the challenge is, and that's some stimulus, I think, could be there. I don't know what could happen, whether it could be some kind of a boost to the rural economy or some kind of a tax benefit to the bottom of the pyramid. But I think there could be something which they could do. Okay, again, very difficult to predict, but really not expecting too much out of the. But I don't think there'll be too much tinkering on the capital gains tax. They did a lot of reshuffle last year on that front. So I would say that not seeing much kind of hopefully they should not do anything detrimental, okay, which can hurt the sentiment, right? Because already the sentiment has got weakened at this point in time. So I mean, I think the overall thrust for the government in terms of long-term investments, I think should continue. I think they should be focusing more on execution. I think that's where the challenge has been in the last 9 months or the last 6 months, right? Execution of the ground has been poor, both at the central as well as the state side. I think trying to implement some of these existing budget announcements which they did last year, I think that will be key. If they do that, I think that could see some recovery back into the economy.